सभी साथियों को नमस्कार। दोस्तों, आप सभी जानते हैं आज का युग आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का युग है और हम शॉर्ट एंड के स्टूडेंट हैं और हर स्टूडेंट को आज की डेट में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के फ़ायदे और नुकसान सब समझ में आते हैं। लेकिन हम शॉर्ट एंड के स्टूडेंट हैं तो हमारे लिए इस करंट टॉपिक पे डिक्टेशन लिखना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। तो न्यूज़पेपर का एक डिक्टेशन है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के ऊपर, तो हम इसको लिखेंगे और अच्छे से अभ्यास करेंगे। Be ready for the dictation. Start. Software engineers are panicking that they may lose their jobs to the artificial intelligence software which can mimic a whole lot of things that they do to earn a living. And since India supplies the technology world with a massive number of software engineers, a boon for the educated middle class, what India is facing is a possible social turmoil resulting from the loss of large numbers of jobs for the middle class. That this is not unnecessary. Panic too early in the day can be caused from the fact that IBM is expected to pause hiring for roles that it thinks can be replaced with AI software. A survey has confirmed that AI has already begun to replace humans in the US. Perhaps the last straw is the godfather of AI, Hinton, becoming so concerned about the risks that AI poses that he is leaving Google so that he can speak freely about these risks. AI is a software that trains machines to perform intelligent tasks. Earlier, it was used mainly to decipher patterns and make predictions by analyzing large amounts of data. But today, the rage is generative AI, which can create words, sounds, images, and videos like an intelligent human. It powers chatbots which chat so to speak with humans by answering questions instantly in early life like conversations. The chatbot ChatGPT has taken the world by storm in no more than a few months. It can create photos and voices that have fooled experts and write software code, TV episodes, songs, and even entire novels, all by mimicking humans with startling accuracy. It works through machine learning via neural networks that mimic the way the human brain works. All this it does by going through enormous amounts of data which it has to be fed. Finding what ChatGPT created by the San Francisco startup OpenAI, majorly funded by Microsoft, can do. Other tech giants have got into the act. Google has come up with its chatbot Bard to power its search engine, and Microsoft has unveiled Bing, entirely its own creation. These have created a boom in generative AI, which represents enormous opportunity, but as can be guessed, is also capable of doing enormous damage. The specter that society sees before it is of deep fakes, hallucination, and sheer misinformation. Chatbots have fathered imagined scandals, conspiracy theories, and plain racist texts. These would be grist to the mill for troublemakers such as the Donald Trump supporters who had stormed the US Capitol on January 6, 2021, seeking to thwart the certification of Joe Biden's victory in the presidential election. Before we start panicking, there is a need to also look at the other side of the picture. First, generative AI does not come cheap. OpenAI, which has developed ChatGPT, lost a massive $450 million last year. It is likely to turn out to be the most capital intensive startup in the history of Silicon Valley. But the market wants the product. OpenAI is likely to clock a revenue of $1 billion next year. Second, generative AI will also affect the job market in a positive way. There is a serious shortage of data science specialists working on AI, and some of them are getting a pay hike of 35 to 50% when they are switching jobs. Companies in as diverse fields as healthcare, finance, and entertainment are seeking to build their own AI engines. तो लिखिएगा आप इस डिक्टेशन को, एक वर्ड की प्रोनाउंसिएशन आई थिंक गलत हो गई है। थोड़ा अच्छे से सुन के उसको ठीक कर लीजिएगा। जब आप इसको मैच करेंगे, पढ़ेंगे, वर्ड्स को चेकआउट करेंगे, तब आप इसको ठीक कर लीजिएगा। सो मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।